Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. It's Kay here, and I've got another couple of the mixed media makes as designed by Scrimpingmommy. I loved this one. On the digital printout it looked interesting, but it didn't kind of inspire like some of the other digital kits Amanda has done, and that's only because it's a bit quirky and very different to what she usually does. But once you got your head around it, it really did make for quite a detailed, if I bring it up to the camera, quite a detailed make with lots and lots of different things that you could utilise. I did a gel plate setting in the centre. I put on some letters, some numbers, but sadly I've lost all of that in translation. You've got little snippets here and there as I put things together. The main light bulb moment, the little girl here that is a bit punk rockish, and then I took these to be light bulb moments of good ideas. So I really oh, I did enjoy putting that together, I really did, and I hope you can see how delightful the actual little mini digi kit was to work with. Amanda's done some absolutely gorgeous kits for this weekly challenge, and you know, I have to say some of them have been more fun to do than others, and this ranks up amongst the more fun to do, I would say, personally, from my own point of view. This is this week's digital kit, and it came in 2 sheets, your wordage, and then there was a background sheet to it in a marble effect, which you'll see I've used here. And then I ran it through the embosser, added some glamour dust here and there before I then went on to cut out the images, which I reduced down to at 85%. I love this sentiment, books are portable magic. How true and right is that? I do hope it doesn't become a lost art with all the digital games and all that kind of thing, because it really does take you off to a land of make-believe, and there's nothing quite like it. And with the world as it is, it's nice to have a bit of escapism through the written word. But you know, that's my age group, that's my opinion, and I'm happy to share it with you, even if you don't agree with me. Oh dear. Anyway, ever onward, you can see it is a delightful 2-page kit. Again, absolutely free of charge for members of Create with Scrimpingmommy. The detail is beautiful. The fussy cutting is pleasurable. I can't really say much more about it. And then to come up with a picture like this at the end of it just has to be the biggest plus of all, you know. So thank you very much for joining me today. If you're not a member of Create with Scrimpingmommy on Facebook, do go over and have a look, because Amanda really does have a wealth of inspiration that she shares very, very readily with everyone. And that's no small thing. So, you know, enjoy what you have access to just by applying to join the group. Take care, everyone. Happy crafting. Happy Easter for those that are celebrating it. And stay well. Bye-bye for now.